I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options on your Android and install ADB drivers or platform tools on the PC. Why do this? The PC needs the driver interface to talk to the phone. Once you've enabled developer options, connect the phone with a reliable USB cable to a direct PC port. Make sure the phone is unlocked and visible. You're doing this now, so the next steps can toggle USB debugging immediately without driver or connection interruptions. You now turn on USB debugging inside Developer Options. Go to Settings, open Developer Options, find USB debugging, and toggle it on. This allows the Android debug bridge to issue commands. When you first connect, your phone will show an RSA key prompt asking to trust the PC. Accept it to establish a secure connection. Make sure to check Always Allow only on computers you trust, because it grants persistent developer access for tasks like file transfer, app debugging. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a command prompt or terminal and run a DB devices. You should see your device listed as device. If it shows unauthorized or nothing, make sure USB debugging was accepted on the phone, try a different cable or port, reboot both devices, and reinstall drivers if needed. For Windows, use Device Manager to update drivers. On Mac OS or Linux, reinstall platform tools. This troubleshooting step solves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.